Hi, I'm Anjali. Today I'm going to deliver a seminar on batch extraction. These are the contents of the today's seminar: introduction, techniques of the solvent, batch extraction, procedure for the extraction, and conclusion. Now I'm going to introduction of this batch extraction. What is solvent extraction? Solvent extraction is nothing but liquid extraction. In this method, we can separate the compounds based on their relative solubilities in two different miscible liquids, usually water and organic solvent. Now I am going to talk on techniques of the solvent extraction. In the techniques of solvent extraction, batch extraction, continuous extraction, and counter current extraction. Batch extraction. Batch extraction is the simplest and most widely used method. These techniques is mostly used for the solvent extraction. This method is applied when the distribution ratio D is very high. For the batch extraction, we use the separating funnel. When two immiscible liquids are placed in the separating funnel, two phases are observed. For the batch extraction, we use the simple separating funnel. Immiscible liquids is nothing but immiscible liquid is nothing but the liquids which cannot be uh, cannot be mixed and not gives in a single phase. For example, consider a mixture consists of two polar compounds and one non-polar compound like ether and water as shown in the figure. After the extraction with a solvent pair of ether and water, polar compounds found in aqueous layer as dissolve like as polar solute dissolved in polar solvent and non-polar compound dissolved in non-polar solvent. As result of non-polar compound is isolated from a mixture. We see in the chart first. The idea that a compound dissolved more or less readily in a solvent can be calculated by distribution coefficient, that is Kd. Kd is nothing but concentration of solute in organic phase divided by concentration of solute in aqueous phase. Procedure for the extraction. Procedure for the extraction is a simple method. For this method, we use separating funnel. Separating funnel is the simplest and most suitable apparatus for the batch extraction. Two phases are taken in a separating funnel. Then shake the separating funnel and allow to separate the two layers. Then add the extraction solvent into separating funnel. Then we are allowed to attain the equilibrium. After the layer become a clear, denser liquid withdrawn by opening with the stop cock of the funnel. We see in the figure. Denser liquid is withdrawn by the opening the stopcock of the funnel. Once the denser liquid is separated, then lighter layer will be separated. This is the conclusion of the batch extraction. Batch extraction used when distribution ratio D of a solute is high. Thank you.